Welcome to my channel Magnificent World Through My Eyes. Today we are going to see the preparation of Sel Roti. Special thanks to Kalyan Samiti, Upper Dugra Basti for allowing me to record the entire process of making Sel Roti. Your support has made this video possible. Sel Roti is a traditional Nepali dish which is prepared during Tihar. It holds a special place in Nepali culture, often serving as a symbol of celebration and togetherness. Sel Roti is made by fermenting rice batter and deep frying it to a golden perfection, resulting in a crispy outer layer and soft from inside. The preparation involves soaking rice overnight and then roughly grinding it. A batter is prepared by adding water, sugar, milk, ghee, maida and spices like cardamom and fennel seed to roughly grinded rice flour. The ingredients are then let to rest for a couple of hours. Once the batter is set, it is deep fried in cooking oil or ghee. The dough is poured by hand in a ring shape into boiling oil and cooked on medium heat until it turns light brown on both sides. Two wooden sticks, also known as jeer in Nepali, each about 1 foot long, are used for turning the ring while cooking.
खेल्न
Sel Roti are cooked in bulk and can be stored at room temperature for at least 20 days. Sel Roti is often eaten with aloo-dum, tea or spicy pickles. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.